Hey guys, if you're planning on having a budget party and trying to hang your balloons on ceiling without purchasing a helium tank, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how to stick balloons on ceiling without helium. Everything I use in this video, I'll have links down below. Method 1. All you need is balloons, a glue dot, or double-sided tape. Just simply place a small pieces of glue dot tape or double-sided tape on the top of the balloon where it is gonna stick on the ceiling. Peel it off. And just find yourself a little chair. Make sure that's gonna keep you safe. Stick the balloon on the ceiling with the side that has glue dots on. If you're trying to hang a balloon in the air, here's method 2. What you need is scissors, any kind of rope or string, and a single-sided tape. Use the string, tie it around the knotted spout. Oops, just take your time. And use scissors to cut off the extra string. Take a small piece of tape and tape it with the string. Stick it on the ceiling. Now you got a hanging balloon in the air. The last method I'm introducing you guys is to simply rub against your hair. Just a little note that make sure your hair is not too greasy. I've tried a couple times with my greasy hair and it didn't work as well as with my dry hair. But be aware that this method won't last balloons on the ceiling for more than 4 hours. But it definitely is the simplest and fastest way. Now your party's ready.